Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and I just got a Christmas package from Satoshi Labs, so I figured I'd jump online real quick, open it up, and show you guys the cool stuff they sent me for Christmas. So if you're not aware, Satoshi Labs is the company that makes the Trezor wallet. They just came out with their Trezor Safe 3 recently, and I did a video on their Solana support that was added on December 20th, a couple days ago. So you might want to check that out. I'll put a link to it down in the description below if you would like to hodl Solana on your Trezor device. It's only compatible with the Trezor Safe 3 and the Trezor T, just for your information. So let's go ahead and open up that box and see what they sent me for Christmas. All right, here we go. So it's Happy New Year. Nice card from Satoshi Labs. I'll have to admit that they have really been gracious to me over the last several years since we've had a relationship. Basically, I've just been doing unboxing and setup videos for them, but they've always been very warm and gracious to me. Let's see what we got here. A stocking stuffer, looks like. I think this is a sparkler. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Oh yeah. So I'll take these outside and light them with my son tonight. That'll be fun. Oh, and this looks interesting. They've already given me a whole bunch this year. I mean, they sent me a Trezor Safe 3 when I saw that they had released their new wallet. I sent them an email and asked them if they would send me one, and sure enough, they did. Oh, look at this. Ooh, salted caramel, passion fruit. Oh my gosh, these are cool. Oh yeah. So they're basically chocolates, but they look really cool. I mean, they're shiny like metal. But as you can see, they're chocolates with flavor in the inside. I'll share these with my family later. Yeah, these are cool. Just wanted to share this with you guys. As I mentioned, I've been doing some Trezor videos lately. I'll put links to those down in the description below, and I just wanted to share with you guys what nice people they are over at Satoshi Labs. They sent me some Christmas stuff, and I wanted to share that with you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.